Hi everyone, I'm at this beautiful place called Love Lake in Dubai, enjoying the view, spending time in nature, relaxing and watching the birds. While I'm here, I just thought to connect with you to share why it is important to spend time in nature. Spending time in nature helps us improve our mental health, whether we are stressed or anxiety or depression. It even improves our physical health. It changes our mood, and above all, it helps us live longer. Most of us spend our time indoors under the fluorescent light in an AC environment, in front of the computer all the time, and when we go home we are staring the TV screen. So our life is all about achieving our goals in our life or achieving our deadlines at work. We are always running to achieve something, and this creates so much of stress in us. Having stress built up in our body leads to having headache or muscle pain or anxiety, depression, and even cholesterol, blood pressure, and this is going to even lead to sleep deprivation. When we step out to the nature, our body goes through a shift from sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for stress, to parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest. This brings our body into a realization response mode where our breathing slows down and deepens, our worries become less inexpressive, and we are able to enjoy and appreciate the present moment. Japanese have identified a method called Shinrin-yoku. This is forest bathing, where you go into the forest and take in the forest atmosphere to recharge yourself. This method has been proved to show many beneficial, like reducing the stress and the blood pressure, and even improving your immune system, your mood, and this enabled people to be focused much better than before. Scientific research suggests that spending time in nature is really beneficial. It makes us happy, healthy, and even more creative. So it is really vital for us to take some time for our own. Go for swimming in the ocean, or go hiking, or just ride a bicycle, or even at least spend some time in your garden or in your park every week with your family. Researchers from Stanford University found that being in nature can reduce the risk of depression. They found people who walked for 90 minutes in nature opposed to people who walked for 90 minutes in urban cities showed less activity in the brain area, which is related to the depression. Being in nature can also help our body heal faster. 1984 studies published by American Association for the Advancement of Science found that patients who, after surgery, when they were placed in a room with a window facing the trees and nature, healed faster than the patients who were placed in rooms which are facing just the brick walls. Researchers and studies have proved that being in nature increases the survival rate after the stroke, reduces type 2 diabetics, increases our immune system, reduces our obesity, and even improves our short-term memory. Green exercise is always better than working out in a gym. So just step out and spend your time, go for a walk in the nature and enjoy and relax while you just get all these awesome benefits.